Hello, I'm Sherry Barbera. Today, we're covering how to master AI script writing to craft compelling YouTube scripts with AI tools with 10 key points. If you're like me, an avid YouTuber, then you're always looking for ways to save time and enhance the quality of your videos. I've found using AI tools can create scripts super fast, elevate your ideas, make them more engaging, and even help your content look more professional. I've been using AI chatbots for around 2 years now, and I'm absolutely loving the results I get. So let's dive into the amazing world of AI chatbots, and I'll show you how you can generate captivating YouTube scripts, some of my favorite AI tools. Let's get to key point number 1. Understanding AI capabilities. First, not all AI tools have deep databases like the 2 excellent chatbots I've used for the past 2 years to generate hundreds of video scripts. Many of those videos routinely get 2,000 to 3,000 views, with some of them going to 8,000 views. My top 2 favorite tools for scripting are ChatGPT, which I've been using practically since I found out about it, and Gemini, which used to be called Bard by Google. With either of these chatbots, you can generate endless video ideas, create specific outlines, write full scripts, and even get multiple script options if you ask for them. ChatGPT and Gemini can help you brainstorm ideas, define your content, create dialogue, plot lines, and even jokes for your videos, although sometimes what a chatbot thinks is funny is questionable. Anyway, using AI is like having a professional scriptwriter at your beck and call 24/7, saving you time, streamlining the process, and enhancing your creativity. Key point 2, crafting effective prompts. The magic of AI is determined by the prompts you give it. Being specific and detailed will generate the best results. For example, instead of prompting it to write a script about gardening, include more details like script length, who's it for, the specific types of gardening. Okay, let me just show you what an updated prompt would look like. Write a 5-minute script about urban gardening, tips for beginners, including sections on container gardening and vertical gardens. You see how more specific you are, the better results you will get. Here's another prompt example. Write a script for a 5-minute YouTube video on the benefits of morning exercise. Include 5 key benefits of morning exercise with detailed explanations for each benefit, a full description for an image to go along with the benefit, and snappy titles for each benefit. So you can see how being more detailed will really help. Key point 3, structuring your script. Structure is crucial for hooking viewers, keeping them watching beyond the first 30 seconds, and moving your content pace along from start to finish. AI can help outline your script into introduction, main points, and conclusion. Here is a detailed prompt structure to give your AI tool. Act as an expert video script writer and create a script for and then put your topic. Open with an engaging hook about your topic. Then ask an intriguing question about your topic. Then provide your expertise in your topic, and then give me 10 in-depth points on whatever your topic is, and with a call to action to buy a product or service or something, and then your next video title. Ask the AI to create an outline first. Prompt: create a script outline for whatever your YouTube video topic is. In ChatGPT, you can actually attach the script you created for it to create the outline from. This helps you stay focused and organized. Key point 4, engaging dialogue and enhanced creativity. Engaging dialogue makes your script lively. Use AI to create natural-sounding conversations that resonate with your audience. For example, the prompt could be write a dialogue between 2 friends debating whether to buy an electric car. AI can actually boost your creativity by offering its own unique perspectives from its database. For example, use prompts like, give me 5 unique angles to approach a video about whatever topic you want. Or, what are some unexpected benefits of whatever topic? These prompts can help you find fresh and engaging content angles. Key point 5, refining language and tone. Your video's tone and language are crucial for connecting with your audience. Prompt the AI like this: rewrite this script in a conversational tone that 30-year-olds are using right now, or adjust the script for an older audience in their 50s to early 60s that like to travel, have a median income of $150,000 a year, and live between New York and Boston. AI can tailor your script to suit different demographics and styles. Key point 6, incorporating SEO keywords. Use AI to integrate keywords naturally. For example, incorporate the following SEO keywords into this script and then list your keywords. This ensures your content is discoverable while maintaining a natural flow. Key point 7, utilizing AI for research. AI can assist in your research by providing relative information and statistics. This will add credibility to your content. Here's a prompt example. Provide 5 statistics about the impact of remote work on productivity. AI can actually search current content. Key point 8, personalizing your script with stories will help make your content relatable, and storytelling has become the darling of YouTube experts to get you to gain more views and subscribers. Even if you're not a terrific storyteller, you can use AI to weave in your personal stories or experiences, and that will help you connect with your audience. Prompt example: here's my personal story about overcoming stage fright for a YouTube video. And then you say, now act as an expert storyteller and rewrite my story to hook the viewer right away, including humor, excitement, maybe pathos. Then wrap it up with something about, here I am today, still making videos, and you know what, I still have stage fright. Key point 9, editing and polishing. Editing is where you take your okay script and make it shine. AI tools will happily assist you with editing to ensure your script is clear, concise, and error-free. Use AI to refine your script, ensuring that the finished product is polished and professional. Here's a prompt example. Edit this script for clarity and conciseness, or highlight any sections that need more detail. Prompt example. Edit this script to improve clarity and engagement, and then paste or attach your script into the chatbot. Key point 10, AI technology is constantly evolving, and so should your skills. To keep your content fresh and ahead of the curve, stay updated with the latest AI tools and techniques. Join communities, watch tutorials, take courses, even social media. Keep experimenting with different prompts and approaches. With continuous learning, your channel content will keep improving, and your views and subscribers will grow. Prompt example. Summarize the latest advancements in AI for content creation. Okay, that's what you need to know to master AI video script writing. AI is just a tool to enhance your creativity and efficiency. Experiment with different prompts and AI tools to discover what works best for you. I'm Sherry Barbera. This is AI YouTube Coach, and our next video session covers AI video editing, the top tools to save you time and your sanity. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on leveraging AI for your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and happy scripting.
To learn more, subscribe. Okay.